Albertville, Georgia.
Yep.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yep.
Headed to Lagrange.
Yep.
So we took a minor detour here for some weather and get some weather updates, and I think we made a good decision, right?
Yep, we sure did.
Rather make that decision on the ground. Decide that we're on the ground that we didn't have to do it, then decide in the air that we.
That's right. Then be up there in the air where.
All right. Ready?
And Albertville traffic, Cessna 733 Delta November. We are taking runway 5 east departure, Lagrange.
All right. Windows closed and locked. Doors locked. Transponder and altitude.
Yes, sir.
All right. Lights. Camera.
Action.
All right. Final's clear. I don't see anybody on final. Off. All right. Ready?
Yep.
All right. On our way to Albertville.
Let's go.
I mean to Lagrange.
Lagrange.
All instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive at 40. We're at 50. 55. Albertville traffic. Skyhawk 733 Delta November is on the upwind. Runway 5 to Albertville traffic. Let's climb at 75. Alright, you want to go ahead and switch it over? We can call him.
Yep. Who was it? Departure.
Yeah, I just called departure.
Yeah, I know. Departure, good afternoon. Skyhawk 733 Delta November.
Skyhawk 733 Delta November, Birmingham.
Yes, sir, Birmingham. We just departed out of Albertville, requesting flight following to Lagrange, Lima, Golf Charlie.
And November 3 Delta November, what altitude do you want to go at?
We're going to shoot for 5,500 for 3 Delta November.
November 733 Delta November, squawk 5262. It may be a while before I get you in radar due to the coverage out there.
Say that squawk code again?
November 3 Delta November, squawk 5262.
I'll call it 5262 733 Delta November, and roger that, getting us on radar over. Alright, so we're ready for our approach. Where are we headed?
Lagrange.
Lagrange.
Runway 13.
Runway 13.
Lufthansa 499 Heavy, Atlanta Center. Good morning.
It was a little.
American 134,
right.
Contact Memphis Center 128.27. Good day.
Still 11 miles though, but let me tell her we're going to descend.
I'll tell her.
Got it.
And Center November 733 Delta November, sir. We'd like to start our VFR descent into Lagrange, runway 13.
November 733 Delta November, roger. Radar services terminated. Squawk VFR. Frequency changes approved. No known traffic between you and the field. Have a good night.
We'll squawk 1200 and thank you for the service. 3 Delta November.
Alright, we're back on glide.
75 knots. On your feet.
All right.
Nicely done.
Thank you, sir. That one, we came in nice and slow. You felt that?
Yep.
All right, open up the windows. Let's get to the self-serve from here.